A key difference with the CBDC is that central bank will have absolute control.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. The markets are in the bit of a red right now. They are a bit down, but that is okay, guys. That is fine. I'm telling you, these are the type of moves that we'll see in the short term. Short-term moves don't matter. What you should be doing is dollar cost averaging in, diamond handing, and waiting for the bull cycle. It's going to happen. It has happened. History doesn't always repeat itself, but it does rhyme. It has happened many times before. We're going to get into a bit of the market outlook, the overall markets as a whole in this video, and how it correlates to Tonic and Crow. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, subscribe to the channel, show some support, guys. Also, if you can, become a channel member for shout outs in my future videos, and also it helps to support the channel so I can continuously make videos for you guys. Tonic right now, like I said, in a bit of a retrace following its big brother Crow. $22.8 million in market cap, almost 31,000 people on the watch list. Crow down as well, down 4% on the 24-hour at $2 billion in market cap. It's only a matter of time until things start to turn around, but the trend is your friend, guys. Look at Crow compared to BTC on the 1 month. We're still up and to the right, so even a down day today is not much. This is just a minor correction so we could continue up further, and it's just going to be a slingshot, a slow build to the upside. I'm telling you guys, from Jack Spiker, if you had a Crow, then you will slowly but safely climb up to the top. It will take some time and it will be a longer journey, but success won't happen overnight. From 10 cents to 20 to 60 to that $1 mark. And this is the thing, right? A lot of people are ruling out the crazy gains that could happen in the next bull cycle. You guys, like I said, it's really psychological. Do you guys really think after the worst bear market conditions that we've had ever, like literally last year, from everything I've researched and everything I've brought to the channel, has been the worst market conditions ever? And you really don't think the next bull cycle will be the most tremendous bull cycle ever, where true life-changing gains are made? I'm following the market makers. I am following the money. I am following the institutional investors, the people that have all the wealth and aim to have more, okay? They've already been buying into the markets, and they're waiting for that time for the Fed to create the worst quantitative easing cycle we ever had, which will be great for the markets. And then I really think a huge crash will follow after that, worse than we've ever seen. But before that happens, we'll have the biggest bull run ever. And who knows, Crow could hit $3 in the next cycle. I wouldn't rule it out. From Zegomatic, what do you think about the new Tonic partnership and NFT staking? Are you gonna stake? Nice dip to buy. This thing is going to explode. I know it is going to explode, Zegomatic. It's just a matter of time. Love the partnerships. Love the new sorry for hitting the mic just now, guys. Love the partnerships. Love the new NFT staking utilities, and I know Tonic will continue to grow and make more partnerships along the way. Now, lower market caps, I should say, adds more risk. It's more risk on with lower market cap projects, but they have the potential to perform, have way more X's, 10x, 50x, 100x, 300x. I know I put 400x in my thumbnails, guys, but you can't rule these things out. It's crypto, you know. Did anyone expect Shiba and Doge to do what they did, and all the other meme coins that followed, you know, Crow to go absolutely crazy like it did? You know, these are you can't rule these things out, especially with the impending most bullish bull cycle we've ever seen, right? Let's take a look right here from Matthew Dixon. Following the PCE fueled sell-off yesterday, because we are in a, little bit of a sell-off right now, but it's gonna be fine, guys. I'm telling you. Bitcoin hit its 618 fib retracement, and it's continuing up further from here from this setup. So it's gonna find the bottom, and that's how we continue up. That is just how markets are. In order for us to continue up further, we have to have retraces along the way. Diamond hands win in fundamentally sound projects. I don't know about meme coins. Those, I don't know about that. But when it comes to fundamentally sound projects, Crow, Tonic, diamond hands win. DCA, diamond hand. Get your bags packed, okay? And then wait for the bull cycle. From HOZ, Platinum leads the S&P 500. CEO at 3,200, 3,300 minimum. So he's expecting a drop in the S&P, to match, the platinum chart. But after the drop, we'll have that move to the upside, guys. That's just how it is. Markets have to have that correction. So that is why we're seeing this sell-off in the broader markets, in Bitcoin, in Crow, in Tonic, because of a sell-off in the S&P. See how it all ties in and correlates, guys. It's right there for you. For you to see, right? From 941, entire feed calling for 10K. This is a correction inside of a disbelief rally. Now he's talking disbelief rally. If you take a look at the stock market cheat sheet, stock market cheat sheet right here. Open image. Get a nice zoom in on that for you guys. Right here, guys. As you can see, the bears, because of this retrace, are thinking we're gonna drop to 10K. The only way we go to 10K is if another Black Swan event happens. And what could be the Black Swan event? The Binance FUD, that's gone. Unless it's like literally World War III that's gonna happen, which I don't wish on anyone, wish on the world at all, obviously. But I don't see that happening. I don't see 10K happening, guys. I see us in this phase right here, depression. And then we're gonna be going into disbelief, and then we're gonna have corrections along the way, going back into hope. So this year, the whole year, could be a huge depression going into disbelief phase. So we're in the start of the trend, because a lot of altcoins I do trade on KuCoin, so a lot of altcoins have already bounced up 2 to 3x, some 10, some 20x from the bottom, right? And you only see that at this point in time, at the depression phase. And now we're gonna be in disbelief for a good sideways momentum, but the trend is still gonna be up and to the right with corrections until we get to the hope phase. And then we're gonna get into optimism. All the retail FOMO's in, all the smart money already bought is buying right now. You guys buying right now are the smart money. Then we go to peak euphoria. You take profits on the way up, and then we have another crash. The cycle repeats, right? That's just how it works, guys. That's just how it is. And so that's what I'm expecting. So I think this year is us gonna be continuing the trend up and to the right with corrections along the way, but not anything major, right? Unless you're talking about certain altcoins that have super low market cap that absolutely went like I said, already up 2 to 3x from the bottom. But nothing major, no 100x's, 200x's just yet, but it's going to happen, right? No, it's in time. You'll see those crazy gains, right? The market has to accumulate. And right here we have from Deep Blue, India is in CBDC pilot stage. The world is moving towards CBDCs blindly without realizing the deadly consequences. Your central banks will have absolute financial control over your money. Not when it comes to DeFi, not when it comes to decentralized finance with the Crow blockchain ecosystem and Tonic. This is how we, as the retail, as the average person take control of our money. That previous system is failing and it's going to collapse, and the DeFi ecosystem is going to thrive.
The key difference with the CBDC is that central bank will have absolute control on the rules and regulations that will determine the use of that expression of central bank liability.
Full control of your money. I can't even think about that, guys. Like, imagine you go to the store, you try to buy something, like I said, like some steak. I love steak. And they say, no, you can't buy steak because you've exceeded your carbon emission limits or something like that. I'm not having it, okay? This is why I'm into digital assets. This is why I'm on the Crow ecosystem and into projects like Tonic and Crow. Financial freedom is not just a term and not just a phrase. It is literal for what we're going to see in the future.
And also, we will have the technology to enforce that. Those two issues are extremely important, and that makes a huge difference with respect to what cash is. A key difference.
Blockchain technology is the future. DeFi is the future, and I'm happy to be a part of it with all of you in the Crow fam and Tonic fam. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Please become a channel member to support the channel for shoutouts in my future videos, and it really helps to, support so I could keep making this content for you guys. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.